I'm going to be fitting J+ hinges to this unit. This is my left hand side of my unit and this is my right hand side, and I'm going to be fitting my left hand gas arm here. The top panel has the holes for your hinge plate in it, so this is my right hand panel. This is my left hand panel. Using the Euro screws provided, I now screw this in. I repeat for the other side using the right hand gas arm. The Smove pistons for the J+ hinges are grey with a brown top. And these you insert in here like this, push them up, and then using the arm just finish them off. And the same on the other side. You push it in like that, and making sure it's seated properly like that. The gas arms go onto the ball joint here and here, like that, and it pushes open. And the same on the other side. You put the bottom end of the gas arm onto the ball joint here and again here. If at any time you need to remove this gas arm, if you push a screwdriver into this slot, this metal plate lifts up and the gas arm will then come off. The next job is to fit my hinge plates to my unit. In my box you have 1, 2, 3 plates that are your hinge plates with deep bases, and for your doors you have 2 plates which are slightly thinner. So we now fit these to our unit, and these are screwed into the pre-drilled holes in your unit here, making sure that this quick release mechanism is inside the unit. So the first one gets screwed in here, like this. Don't forget, this unit would normally have been fixed to the wall before I do all of this work. My next job is to fit my hinges to my door. These hinges don't operate the same as a normal hinge, because when I pull it down like this and let go, it springs open, whereas a normal hinge would clip shut. This one springs open. Now I've got my door here, so I'm going to fix my hinges to my doors using the screws provided. I'm now going to fix my door clips, and making sure that the quick release mechanism is towards the bottom of the door, you then screw these into the holes here. My next job is to fit my push to open fittings. You have 3 parts to this. Part 1, which is screwed to your unit. Part 2, which goes into this like this, clips in like that. And the third part, which is this part here, and this is the clip mechanism. This is screwed to your door. Following the instructions in your assembly guide, drill 2 holes there and there in your side panels, and then you drill another 2 holes here and here on your door. Now I'm going to measure 27mm from the bottom of my unit, and that's from the end panel here. So you measure 27mm up, 5, 6, 7 there, and then going up 32mm, go to 63, and put another line, and then I need to measure 21mm in. 21 is to there, like that. And then all I do is I follow that line down here like this, and then taking my marks from here, move them across to there and there. From the other side, 27. I then bring that line down here like this. That's where I'm going to be drilling my holes for my push to open mechanism. There we are, we fit it like this, drill the holes. You can do this before you put your unit together. And using a handheld screwdriver so not to over tighten, I screw these in here like this. If necessary, you can adjust these by screwing this either out or in. The last bit you do before you fit your door to your unit is to fit your push to open mechanism. It is 46mm up and 62mm up and 38mm in. So 46mm up, and we have 45, 46, so that's there, and 62, which is there. And then we come in 38mm, 38mm, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is there. That's where I need to drill a hole. There and there. Repeat for the other side. Now I fix my catch down using the screws provided. I'm now going to fix the door, and I always fix the middle hinge first. And it clicks on like that. And the last one over here. I then fix my arms to my door, click, and the same on this side, hooking this underneath the lugs like that and push. I then push my door down, it clips onto the catches like so, and then all I do to make it work is I just push the door and it comes up. The final thing we do before we finish is we put the silver cover caps onto the arms here and onto the hinges here. And to hide this mechanism here, we push this catch on like that. And there is one for the left hand side and one for the right